Welcome to A Plus Moving, your trusted source for professional moving services in the United States. We understand that moving can be a stressful and overwhelming experience, which is why we're here to make it as easy and hassle-free as possible. One of the things that sets A Plus Moving apart from other moving companies is our team of experienced and dedicated drivers. Our drivers are fully licensed and insured, and they undergo rigorous training to ensure that they have the knowledge and expertise to handle all of your moving needs. Our drivers are more than just transportation specialists. They are experts in packing, loading, and unloading. They are here to work for you, and they'll go above and beyond to ensure that your move is as smooth and stress-free as possible. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, A Plus Moving has you covered. We offer a variety of moving services, including packing and unpacking, storage solutions, and specialized services for fragile or high-value items. At A Plus Moving, we're committed to providing high-quality service at an affordable price. We understand that moving can be expensive, and we strive to keep our prices competitive without sacrificing quality. If you're planning a move in the near future, we encourage you to give us a call. Our team of experienced drivers is ready and eager to work for you, and we'll be happy to provide you with a free quote and answer any questions you may have. With A Plus Moving, you can rest assured that your move will be handled by professionals who care about your satisfaction. Don't let moving stress you out. Trust A Plus Moving and our team of professional drivers to make your move a success. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help make your move a breeze.